And then the last lesson here is the Ironman workout. It is the Ironman workout is an open-ended task that is a great summary activity for this unit, but it starts with a which one doesn't belong, which is another of our mathematically productive instructional routines, our empires, for students to engage with the math. So I'd like you to take a look at this one. We're not going to take a lot of time with it, but real quick, would you just put in the chat, which one do you think doesn't belong? A, B, C, or D? I see mostly D, so I'm going to challenge you. I don't see any B's in the chat, just from a quick glance. Can someone come up with a reason why B might not belong? You got the easy one, the one that was obvious to you. Now let's dig in there a little bit. How about a B? Why doesn't B belong? Okay, so someone said B is in standard form. It is. That it's the same equation. That is, it's the same line, so the lines would coincide. Okay. So A, what's a reason why A might not belong? They're parallel lines, right? And so the way that which one doesn't belong are designed is that all four of them have reasons that they don't belong. And in general, a well-designed one, and this one is, has multiple reasons why each one doesn't belong. You could come up with multiple reasons why. And so this is the idea that you could have students look at this and nobody's wrong. As long as you can justify your answer, everybody has the right answer. And then you can challenge students to think further, to persist in, okay, so you decided right away that C didn't belong. Okay, well, how about B? Now look for another reason. So you can encourage students to justify their thinking and to keep thinking and searching more. So these are great launch problems. They're also really, really good for formative assessment because it helps you to decide the depth of student understanding. They might pick a really surface level reason why something doesn't belong, or they may come up with something quite sophisticated. All right, so then as they continue, students use the idea of someone's training plan to think about the important factors, and then they describe a plan and they think about their process and explain it. So they're creating individual pieces and an overall plan to help someone reach a goal. So that's what they do as a wrap up in the health and fitness topic 2. And then at the end of getting started, we gave you some additional resources that you could use throughout the year. At the end of the mathematically based modules, we give you a thinking bank. And in that, it has additional problems that you can use. It has activities that you can use to remediate or scaffold for students if they need it. It has a wide variety of things. You are not expected to use any of them, but you are welcome to use as much as you feel that your students need. The only caution we would say is don't spend so much time on the extra activities that you can't get to other modules. You don't want to turn the 12-day health topic 2 into a month or 2-month long topic, because there's enough material here to do that. So do be selective in what you use from the thinking banks, but they're there to support you. Oh, and so here's some examples of the kind of things that you see there. I forgot this slide had more, Jen, sorry. So I do encourage you, there is a thinking bank at the end of every module, except for environmental science, which is brand new, but it's coming. We're still working on that one.